everyone, Jan here from Yancy Art. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a collaboration with two of my wonderful friends, Kathleen Osmore from Cos Creations and Britta Clayton from Brit Clayton Designs. We have challenged each other, so I challenged Kathleen. Kathleen challenged Britta, and Britta challenged me. She challenged me to do a pour on this size canvas. It is 30 by 90 centimeters. I think it's, God, what is it? 12 by 36 inches? Yeah, I think so. And I needed to use a metallic base coat. I needed to use at least one pigment and at least two different techniques. So that's what I'll be doing. I will be doing a swipe and then I'll add a Dutch pour on top of that. So fingers crossed that that works. I don't know if you already saw my little test that I did the other day. It came out okay. It was beautiful when it was wet, but dry, it dried really dull. I can quickly show you here. So you see it's really dull. There was way too much paint on the canvas, so it yeah, I don't know if that's the main reason, but it's not pretty. You don't really see the metallic, which is a shame. That was the whole point. So hopefully this goes better. I've painted my sides. I've actually put tape on the sides because I want to try to avoid the striping colors and the Dutch pour colors to run down on the sides. So hopefully this is a deep canvas, gallery wrapped. Quickly the colors. My base coat is Decoart Metallic Sapphire. So this one, I don't know if you can read it. It says Sapphire on there. And then I'll just show the colors the way that I think I'll be putting them on. So the first one will be this Amsterdam. And I forgot again what it's called. Deep Permanent Blue Violet. It looks like this. All very thin. All paints have been mixed with the US Floetrol and Liquitex pouring medium 50-50, and then a good squirt of GAC 800, just like Kathleen does it. And then some of them had to be thinned because some of them are tube paints, like the Amsterdam here. So I had to thin them with a little water, some of them, to get the same consistency. Anyway, back to the colors. The Golden Fluid Iridescent Silver Fine. And then there's a TLP, and this is the Sapphire. So actually the same name as the base coat, but as you see, it's a much darker sapphire here. Pretty. I think I forgot to show you the silver, but you know the silver, I'm sure. This one, yeah. And then the next one would be another Amsterdam, and this one is Ultramarine Violet. Looks like this. And the next one, Iridescent Golden Fluid Iridescent Pearl Fine. Looks like this. And then for contrast or pop, I have put in a TLP Submarine, which looks like this. And last but not least, another pop color, the Amsterdam Yellowish Green, which looks like this. I will not be using much of that. In my test, I saw that the yellow really works great with the purple or violet, but and so does the green, but I just don't want to overdo it, so I'll only be adding a little of that one. But yeah, that is basically it. I will just get you down on the canvas and get to painting. I will not be talking, I'll just be playing some music, so I'll see you when we get to the end. Or rather, you'll hear me when we get to the end. So here are the semi-dried results. I forgot to film it when it was just done, but this is partially dry. It's still very wet in the middle, but it's very interesting. I like it. I would probably personally have preferred not to put in the Dutch pour, but because it looked really cool when it was just done. But the Dutch pour in here is really interesting too, actually. So thank you, Britta, I guess, for the challenge. Even though, like I said, I would have preferred without the Dutch pour, but I had to do 2 techniques, and I did. There's some really cool details in here, I think. Yeah, so that's the end result. See if I can show you from way up. I hope that works. I can't see, I'm having it way over my head. But so, there we go. Have a great day. Bye.